So finally, xiaomi.eu released the Xiaomi HyperOS builds. xiaomi.eu is one of the most famous modded MIUI based ROMs and available for a lot of Xiaomi devices. And I guess xiaomi.eu is only one of those additions for a lot of Xiaomi devices. It brings you their updates. And why this is different here? Because if you compare it with the global edition or India edition, you will find some different things there. We will talk about some of the things in this video. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. We are talking about HyperOS. So as you know, HyperOS is based on Android 14, so as xiaomi.eu. Things might be kind of same here if you talk about some other things, but one thing let me tell you here is if you move on to the super icons, unlike some other modded editions for MIUI or HyperOS, for example, HyperOS Elite edition or the other editions, you have these things unlocked like the super icons you can simply purchase, or you can simply all those things are actually cracked there. But in this case, if you use xiaomi.eu, things are not cracked. You have to buy them if you want to use them. So it's very simple. It's not exactly like the previous xiaomi.eu or the things which were available in MIUI or modded editions of this HyperOS. Things are different there, but in xiaomi.eu you have some different things. You have to purchase these icons. These things are not unlocked. This is the main thing to keep in mind while using xiaomi.eu based HyperOS. If you take a look at the dialer here, it's also changed. As far as I know, it's a bit changed here. It's almost same like HyperOS, but as HyperOS is right now available in China, and if you take a look, if you compare it with the India edition will not give you this kind of dialer, but it's changed. It's actually changed. It's available in HyperOS already. It's also introduced in HyperOS xiaomi.eu edition. Also, the new icons as expectedly already present here. So it's now changed. xiaomi.eu based on MIUI was different, but xiaomi.eu based on HyperOS is bit different. All the HyperOS changes are included. That is the main point of using this one, that you have all the changes included from HyperOS and it's quite stable. Also, the new Xiaomi HyperOS brings you the camera settings. I'm not exactly sure, to be honest, because I don't use MIUI or HyperOS much, but I found some of the new features in the camera section too. Dynamic shots and other things, and also the new UI for the menu. For example, if I open this menu, you can simply swipe down. Unlike in MIUI, you have different camera settings available, but with this Xiaomi HyperOS, we have different camera settings available. I guess this is something different here, but kind of okay. If you use MIUI or HyperOS, you might not get any major differences, but you might get. The main highlight of Xiaomi HyperOS was the control center, and you also have some of these new animations available, although it is only available for the Wi-Fi and mobile data tiles or some Bluetooth tiles, but not for the brightness slider or that volume slider, the thing which you can do with iOS, but unfortunately you can't do with this Xiaomi's HyperOS. If you take a look at the other options, kind of same here. The control center is bit changed as compared to MIUI, and that is one of the major differences in HyperOS or MIUI. I will give you the link for that video which I am going to upload regarding HyperOS versus MIUI, which one you should check it out. Security section also has a new battery section, where I found this battery option where you have current mode, balance, performance mode, same here, but only the UI is bit changed. And in the security settings, you have extra options as compared to normal HyperOS. I tried HyperOS, little bit options were less as compared to this xiaomi.eu based HyperOS. You will definitely find some differences as compared to the normal HyperOS. As while making this video, HyperOS is only available in China, or maybe the Chinese builds are available, not exactly for global or global or India stable, etc. Also, the lock screen is the main highlight, so without a doubt it's available here. You can explore lock screen clocks. You have option to customize a lot of things, and you know that it is similar to iOS. If you have ever used iOS, iPhone, iOS 16 or of course 17, things are exactly looking like same. The color customizations, the fonts customizations, UI, and the whole tap and hold to customize lock screen, it's literally same. So as in HyperOS, and I am thinking about making comparison video versus HyperOS versus iOS. I will let you know if I make that video, or I will provide you the link in the description. Other options are kind of same. We have same battery section, additional settings UI is also a bit changed here, but it's same in HyperOS, not in xiaomi.eu. Things are kind of same. So these are things I just wanted to let you know. xiaomi.eu is one of those updates, one of those custom modded editions which is available for a lot of Xiaomi devices. So if your device supports that, check it out. The link is already available in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.